Hi, I'm Emma Seal and welcome to my video. Today we're going to look at press-ups, and this is part of a playlist of exercises focusing on body weight resistance movements. If you'd like to take a look, head to the playlist using the card above or the link in the description. Press-ups are a good common exercise for strengthening the upper body through the arms and also across the chest. But it's quite common for people to struggle with technique. So we're going to have a look at some alternatives and how to get the best technique for press-ups. I'm going to talk through with you first a lower level press-up where you remain on your knees. Quite a few people find full press-ups difficult, so this is an alternative way where you still get the same work through the chest and the upper body, but taking some of the resistance away by staying on the knees. So you're going to come to the floor with the knees hip width apart to begin with, and then bring your hands down. Now the arms must be directly underneath the shoulders, so hands and elbows and shoulders are in line, and you're on the soft part of the knees, so we're leaning slightly forward, pivoting on those knees. From that position, you take the chest down towards the floor, keeping the nose beyond the fingertips and pushing back up. We breathe in as you go down, out as you come up. Keeping the head in line with the back and the stomach nice and tense. It's important to pivot on the soft part of the knees rather than being in a box position where you're on the hard part and your hands are in front of the shoulders. By having it in the right position, you work through the core as well as through the upper body, and you get more movement through the position. What we want to avoid is having the head coming behind the hands and leaving the bottom in the air. And neither have we got the hands so far out that when we're leaning forward, we're putting too much pressure onto the shoulders. This is a great starting position for anybody that struggles with full press-ups. If you get the technique right and work through that position, you're still using the same muscles in the right way rather than causing yourself an injury. From there, we can look to go into full press-ups. The position in the hands is still the same, but you're coming up to your toes now, keeping the legs apart. Again, the nose goes down beyond the fingertips and we push up, breathing in and out as we come up. And relax. I hope you found that video useful, and for more videos on techniques for body weight resistance, head to the playlist using the card above or the link in the description. By improving your body weight resistance exercises and techniques, you can build a nice, strong, healthy body for a good, healthy life. If you got something out of this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe and turn on the notifications, and I'll see you in another video.